Is it recording?
Yeah. Alright, folks.
Alright, folks. Back with another banger today. We're about to tear apart both the 200s, Leo's and mine. Right there.
Dude, my wheels are there.
And this stuff smells good. It doesn't even smell bad.
Yeah, that's what gets people.
Oh, dude, smell it.
Yeah.
Oh!
No.
That's uneven. There. That is
flexing.
That's what happens when you're retarded. Yo, does this thing look sexy or what?
No.
Too bad it's a piece of shit.
Yeah, if your motor runs by the end of this weekend, we're gonna...
What is holding this thing on? What am I stuck on? Nothing. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. One condition and the other. Isn't this fun, guys? Like and subscribe if you want to see this thing freaking rip. By the way, this is a 232 stroker motor. Number one thing we do with rebuilds is you always put the bolts back where they went, because that way you never lose them. Oh, you know what? I don't remember where this went. So it happens when you're retarded. Something came out of my ass. Oh, oh baby. Oh yeah, oh baby. Oh yeah. Look at that beautiful thing. It's not even Chinese. Oh, it's leaking on me. She pissed.
My transistor radio comes from far away, and when it's night over here, over there, it's a breaking day. I remember all the good times I had walking in the sand with the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams, like cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in the early spring. As we walked by the river and she softly took hold of my hand, that's when I fell deep in love with the girl made in Japan. And the singing of the birds woke us up at the break of day. Her smiling eyes always seem...
Yellow, yellow, green. What is that? Green or blue? Green and blue. Both of those into... I can't see. Green and blue? I think so. Green and blue. The wires going into the CDI cover, green and blue. Wire that goes into flywheel side connects to flywheel side wires. Red black goes to red black. Black goes to blue. Okay, now Leo's bike. We're gonna get the colors for his. Green and blue wire coming out of rotor cap go into white connector with white, green, and blue wires with a white connector. Flywheel side cover wires go yellow wire onto pink wire with yellow strip on it, pink wire into pink wire, black and red stripe to black and red stripe. It's not going to do anything right away.
Yeah, no, you have to pull the bolt out first.
Okay. Okay, get ready to hold the thing up.
Like lift the entire weight or just balance it?
don't know, whatever you end up being able to do. Nope.
It's still safer now. I'm gonna grab a rag so I can actually hold it.
I'm gonna kick the thing. I'm gonna tap the motor out.
Shit.
Okay, just balance it until I can get a couple rags. No, I'm gonna lift the thing out. You're gonna be over top of it like that. Okay, so go to the other side. It should be safe. Just go to the other side.
See, I blessed these towels with Dr. Shasta.
Okay, hold the engine up. Yeah, it's not Dr. Shasta. That's Shasta Cola, mother. Okay. Oh, keep holding it. Keep holding it. Okay. And this one.
Okay. Motor's out. Heart's out.
Okay, let go. Get the cable off that. Okay, grab it.
I'm just gonna grab
This
this.
thing's so heavy.
Oh, the motor's not good.
This is ass, bro. Oh shit.
Don't trip.
Oh my god. Oh, easy, Hoss. Alright, move.
I'm moving. I'm still holding.
Let go. Oh, grab it.
Oh, that's good.
Whoa. Yeah, back to the side. She's out, baby. You know what? Let's just put it back in. I don't want to do this. 3 o'clock in the morning. Look at this away from the edge.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get yours out. Pitch bussy like.
Bitch, pussy, like
Alright, grab onto your motor.
Bro, hold on.
Oh, ooh, that came off of you, dude.
Sure, I can't.
Hold on to it tight, and I want to see. Yeah, you can't. Let me see if I can. Yeah, no, the top has to come out. It's gonna sit on your lap until I go around.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Doesn't feel very loose. Oh, you forgot to get the spacers out, dude. I'm not putting my finger in there.
That's what she said.
Oh, 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 oh! Oh, baby!
Oh, are you good?
Oh, baby! Get the wire, dude.
What is that? Oh.
Fucking rip it out! The other way, other side, dumbass! God damn, you're dumb. This thing's fucking heavy. Damn.
Okay.
It's
I'm
got
gonna walk
oil
to
all
the
over
side.
it.
I'll carry it.
Give me that. Okay.
You wanna help me? Double check that I don't drop this.
Gotcha.
Oh, like genuinely.
No, you're good. If it drops, it'll just break. What is your finger? Oh.
That's it.
How much metal is in this thing?